ABML Morning Update. Amid skepticism and fragile peace, expect a day of consolidation ahead of US-Iran in-person peace talks due over weekend. Global markets. Stocks extended their rally Thursday even as oil prices gained, amid continued optimism among traders that the fragile two-week ceasefire between the US and Iran could be sustained. The S&P 500 added 0.62% and ended at 6,824.66, while the Nasdaq Composite climbed 0.83% to 22,822.42. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 275.88 points or 0.58% and settled at 48,185.80. The 30 stock index turned positive for the year, up 0.25%. The S&P 500 traded into the green and oil prices came off their highs of the day after Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that the country has agreed to open direct negotiations with Lebanon. Iran's parliamentary speaker, Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf, had called Israel's continued attacks on Lebanon a violation of the ceasefire agreement. The Stoxx 600 index European markets posted a negative 0.15% return on Thursday. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on April 9th. At close, the Sensex was down 1.2% at 76,632 and Nifty was down 0.93% at 23,775. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 34 points at 23,918, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India is projected to remain among the fastest growing major economies, with GDP growth moderating to 6.6% in FY27, reflecting resilience despite heightened geopolitical disruptions. The outlook is underpinned by strong macroeconomic fundamentals, including robust forex reserves, a well-capitalized banking system, and contained inflation, which provide critical buffers against external shocks. Notably, India's exposure to global energy volatility remains relatively limited, with net energy imports at approximately 2.8% of GDP, significantly lower than several peer economies. However, persistent global uncertainties, particularly from West Asia, could keep commodity prices elevated, posing downside risks to growth and inflation trajectories. Inflation is projected at 4.9% in fiscal year 27, indicating manageable price pressures despite rising input costs linked to energy and logistics. India's growth narrative remains structurally intact, supported by policy stability, domestic demand strength, and improving investment dynamics, even as global headwinds warrant cautious optimism. Focus for the day: US CPI. Key corporate development/policy actions. JSW Energy has exercised its call option to acquire the remaining 26% stake in JSW Mahanadi Power, JMPCL, moving towards full ownership of the entity. KEC International has received a tax demand notice of 46 crore rupees from the Income Tax Department. Tata Consultancy Services reported Q4 FY26 consolidated revenue growth of 70,698 crore rupees, up approximately 9.6% YOY, and net profit growth of approximately 12.1% YOY to 13,784 crore rupees, driven by strong deal wins, highest ever TCV performance of approximately $12 billion for Q4, and rising enterprise AI adoption, thus maintaining steady FY26 growth momentum. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL) announced a technology collaboration with E2S Company Limited to strengthen its capabilities in excitation systems for synchronous machines, enhancing its manufacturing, servicing, and global market reach while supporting the Make in India initiative. Tata Power announced an enterprise-wide collaboration with Databricks to build a unified data and AI platform aimed at improving operational efficiency, enabling real-time decision-making, and accelerating renewable integration as part of its energy transition strategy. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 17.11 billion rupees while DII bought for 9.55 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.